Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm going to be showing you today's daily cipher word, which is friends. Friends is today's daily cipher word. You excuse my handwriting. As always, we line up the letters F, R, I, E, N, D, S. Then we find the corresponding Morse codes. So we start with F. F is here. Tap, tap, long press, tap. Tap, tap, long press, tap. That's F. Then R. R is here. Tap, long press, tap. R is tap, long press, tap. Then I. I is here. Tap, tap. Tap, tap. Then E is here. Tap, single tap. Then N. N is here. Long press, tap. Long press, tap. Then D. D is here. Long press, tap, tap. D is long press, tap, tap. Then S. S is here. Tap, tap, tap. 3 times. Tap, tap, tap. Let us get the phone and enter in these Morse codes. Get the phone. Alright, from the left, click on Daily Cipher, the second item, until this button turns red. Now let us put in the Morse codes. We start with F, tap, tap, long press, tap. That's F, R, tap, long press, tap. Then I, tap, tap. Then E, single tap. Then N, long press, tap. Then D, long press, tap, tap. Then S, tap, tap, tap. And the word is friends. Lastly, click on take the prize and you'll be good to go. Good job, CEO. Peace. I'll be seeing you in the next videos.